Place the station on a flat and open lawn with no slope and rock. Ensure that there are no objects within 2 meters of the left, right, and front of the station, and the grass around the station is no taller than 6 centimeters. Take out the station base and place it on the flat ground. Remove the sticker that secures the plug from the station base and take out the station pile. Pull out the power interface and stick it into slot. Then insert the station pile into the station base until you hear a click. Remove the back cover of the station pile and insert the base connector into the pile connector until you hear a click. Snap the 2 cables into the corresponding slots, close the back cover, and the station assembly is completed. Take out the power supply from the accessory box, connect it to the power interface of the station, and tighten the nut after aligning the notch and the groove. After the station is assembled, move it to the selected location and use the hex key and pegs in the accessory box to secure the station to the selected area. The station installation is completed.